We found something incredible during our morning survey. Can you tell what it is? At Edisto Beach State Park, we document sea turtle nests starting in May, covering a 1.5-mile stretch of beach. Every morning, we go out to document new sea turtle activity. This is a loggerhead sea turtle nest, our first nest of the season, found on May 6th. That's our primary nesting species. One of our volunteers brought a drone out to capture the beach before we started our morning nest survey. At the time of filming, we had 257 nests. Each of our nests are highly visible with posts, tape, a loggerhead nesting sign, and our cage to prevent predation. You can also spot some of our light screens. These screens help reduce artificial light from reaching these nests, giving hatchlings a better chance of finding the ocean instead of becoming disorientated. They get installed on a nest when it gets closer and closer to the time of the emergence. But this morning wasn't just another nest survey. We made a discovery that doesn't happen very often. We found a brand new green sea turtle nest. Can you tell the difference now with how this body pit looks versus the loggerhead one I showed earlier? The green turtle makes a big crater and throws a lot of sand, much more than the loggerhead sea turtle. Green sea turtles nest here much less frequently than loggerheads. In fact, this is only the third green sea turtle nest I've documented in 11 years of working on this beach. Last season, we documented a green nest in September. I created a video then of the nest, as well as the differences between the loggerhead and the green turtle that I'll link below. We also had to find nest 113 that was incubating, but had all but one post removed by the green turtle when nesting. We use this device called a probe that we are trained to use safely to locate the egg chamber. Our team carefully collected all the required scientific data, located the egg chamber, and marked the nest so it can be monitored throughout incubation. One egg is taken for a DNA study through the University of Georgia. From this egg sample, they will be able to determine the genetic ID of the nesting turtle. And there it is, nest 113 and the new green nest both protected. Of course, as well as one very happy turtle team. From above, it's easy to just see a stretch of sand, but beneath the surface, a new generation of sea turtles. Here's hoping these tiny hatchlings will make it safely to the ocean in a couple months. If you enjoy following along with real sea turtle conservation, don't forget to subscribe and let's continue to do some turtly good together.